Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on daily reminders on the ELSA Speak application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on guest user at the top, click on learning and sound settings, then tap on this or go to the notification section and click on daily reminder. As you turn it on, you can set what time you would like to use ELSA. Here you can select the interval, whether you would like to use it daily or these times of the week, and you can also select a time. Then click on the done button and tap on the reminder button if you want to turn on reminders. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.